Noon, said Sam, trying to calculate. Noon of what day? The 14th of the new year, said Gandalf. Or, if you like, the 8th day of April in the Shire reckoning. But in Gondor, the new year will always now begin upon the 25th of March, when Sauron fell, and when you were brought out of the fire to the king. He has tended you, and now he awaits you. You shall eat and drink with him, and when you are ready, I will lead you to him. J.R.R. Tolkien. The 25th of March is the original day for the crucifixion of Jesus the Christ. The fellowship departed on December 25th, Jesus' day of birth, and they finished their mission on the 25th of March, Jesus' day of death. The story doesn't end there, though, because Jesus rises 3 days later to live alongside the Father and pave a path for us to be with him eternally. Happy Good Friday.